Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack access blocked authorization error. This issue usually happens when your app is not properly authorized or the login permission flow is blocked or incomplete. First, make sure you are using the correct workspace. Log into Slack and confirm you are inside the right workspace where the app is installed. Next, reinstall the app by going to app.slack.com/apps. Select your app, click your app name, then go to OAuth and permissions. From here, scroll down, choose Reinstall to Workspace, and confirm the reinstallation steps. Also, check your browser settings and make sure pop-ups are not blocked because Slack authorization may require a pop-up window. Next, clear your browser cache by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. Make sure cached images, files, and cookies are selected, then click Delete Data. Once that is done, disable any VPN you are using. In my case, I'm not using any VPN. Finally, if the issue still continues, remove the app completely from the workspace and install it again from scratch. Once that is done, your issue should now be fixed. That's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack access blocked authorization error. You can fix it by verifying the workspace login, reinstalling the app, allowing pop-ups, clearing cache, and disabling VPN or proxy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial video.